Hi guys, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how to install Python on Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm on my computer screen now. So you just have to type here Python on the Google in any browser that you want. So this would be the first link that would appear, python.org. So just open that. So now if you scroll down a bit, you will see Python 3.13.0. This is the latest version of Python. So I would recommend installing the latest version, but in a case if you want to install the previous version, so what you can do is that you can go into your downloads and then into all releases. So from here you can find the previous versions as well. Okay, so let's click on this latest version. Now when you will scroll down at the bottom, you will see 64-bit because Windows is 64-bit, Windows 11. So let's open that. Okay, now it is being downloaded. It is a small file, it will not take much time. Okay, now it has downloaded. So let's open that. And now the Python installer will appear. So just check on these two options at the bottom. So make sure you do that and then just press install now. And press yes. Okay, now the setup is being installed. So again, it will not take much time, depends on your PC performance. But so I'm gonna skip the video so that okay, now the setup has been successful, so just close it. Okay, now the Python has been installed, but we have to check whether it has been installed successfully or not. So we have to go in our search option in the Windows and we will write cmd here. Okay, now a command window will open here. So what we want to do is that we want to write Python and then space and then space and then dash and then the version. Okay, so we want to make sure the Python has been installed, and as you can see, the latest version which we installed has been installed here. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it helped you. So if it did, please consider subscribing and liking to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.